Erade adum ye ho ye. Ya nya betna ha enko ayet etie 40 enkan die na Erade ayade enti ye bede Erade ase se enen so de ache yen.
Amen.
Ya ban so de ne yaba. Ensem wo ho.
Yabo yaba.
Oh yeah, cassagist.
O can the tree enye de.
There be enye de.
Kan brofa na kata so. Concern no.
Die waguo no eno na wutwa sompa.
Yeah, there are there. So we thank God for yet another day. It was Sompa delight. Now was I am a boy, my mommy who's so what because one is a frequent into Sompa delight. It's a great day. We will delve straight into vocabs corner. Now I feel the concern about because when was why ready.
Oh, you be vocabs corner.
So far vocabs corner it was saying because from Monday me dem I enjoy you. Fabin ebia na Jerry yesterday. Then you know Jerry is Fabin.
What you see?
And then Tuesday then everybody circumlocution, right?
And then yeah comatose. Now you say comatose never told me enra.
Okoya na
message let's say.
So you were comatose yesterday?
Oh yes. Me sorry na me hu say course ni messages amenya na mu bia ni wa meti.
Chale body na bre.
And I miss ye where di na abai yo.
We say enra no me fan say the theoretical aspect no on sakan enra. Into ko na practicals no.
And a practical the twice about and so today we have another word and I'm sure say ebiati but nyame kan say what ya ye team mama won't say so na dey account vocabulary because say boa okay so in the scheme of things and then one thing happening after in the scheme of things so it could be say be a play be ya any part 1 part 2 net to so and now say incidents be a happen na e be atwa so until now we are picking the word that describes what is in the middle.
Okay
Until ye sickle
okay
until yanko SEQUEL Sompa I happen now better wo Sompa delight vocabs corner and the word near sickle into do na what kind.
Okay so sickle SEQUEL correct. Say it's a literary film or artistic work that continues the story or expands upon the theme of a previous related work, often featuring familiar characters. The other definition, or say it serves as a continuation. With synonyms including successor and all that. And mostly not to say be a film, literature, artistic work be said ye Abena Ruthy you know. Extra continuity.
That's right.
That's right.
In daily usage, you know, say me fan say Sompa program see for God and country sickle. I mean you're using it loosely to Sompa delight because about after that follow and link it so much but at least a my idea and say something coming after the other. It should be mostly related. So example mommy. The linking thing is the fact that you know Sompa programs. Just so you can understand my usage of the word, you know.
Okay. I'm also saying something. Me say sequel. Who's the way it's spelling sequence.
Exactly.
Sequence.
Exactly. Correct for 100 points.
Thank you, madam.
It is sequel. Bibia bakwa you know.
It follows one after the other.
Becca Sompanku nimdie part 1 and 2. And part 1 is first one, then the sequel will be the part 2.
Okay.
Exactly.
That comes right after the
comes
previous
right after
one.
The previous one. And we have prequel.
Yes.
And no dey
before.
Aha, some 50.
Yeah, into no my west too.
Oh, they be sickle near deco.
Okay.
Sickle near deco. Now me can't because me may prickle.
Yeah.
Next time I go pray no.
No, you know if you would have a for our caps corner word today is sickle. I mean, who you saw here? Me me share west that me you saw here me
no.
And
so then so you would da and a coat
exactly. And I always say when you use these words, it boosts your confidence because it's like Uni bibi more, uni bibi further. Aha, you know, yen gather vocabs na ye use it. Aye. Another one came to mind. We'll take that for tomorrow. No, tomorrow is Friday. Oh, see, Monday to Thursday.
Yeah.
Now for you revise. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I'll throw one in tomorrow. Say keke. I ain't but really it came to mind today. So thank you, Brad Jerini, Auntie Ajwa. I feel you for concern is just.
As the Kasa just. Okay, so
but just.
Say you ba de bia na Ajwa de story no what's a cry details na woman no you ya o messy ne maybe.
Sir.
It's me ban me be so kakra. Maybe so kakra. So I intended to do 3 stories today, but a bit your time. No, so say me ye 2 ni we na say time ne kodia. We'll leave it here and then we'll continue tomorrow. So
because today I want us to celebrate somebody before Abedua.
Right. So there's a trending issue, even though it's not a good one, like not so good, but if Richard Ni Amakwe, a businessman. Ghana had ye omo omunimuno. Ono na chicken man yene dia. Any other businesses bebre.
Yeah.
Na no kwasem owoska.
Sorry, I can say investor in chicken man.
Okay.
And then they are so investor.
Okay, so investor.
The main investor.
And other businesses. Edosun.
Bills micro.
Exactly, honso sa. Enti papa ne de ehye ne ho. Na one ne wife Joanna Kwe, sisi ane ex-wife.
Okay.
They've been on a divorce journey for some time now. Na afei na court na finalize bibia ewie.
Yeah.
Na issue ne bae no nkrofo bebre omo de omano atum those who are looking at it from the judge's angle and omo looking at it from investment and as ebre time a ye invest e wa ware ni mo ne other enema bebre. So the issue is that me born tougher in some woman ne doso enti me summarize no papa no were properties bebre ejapade bebre. Now there were some that were acquired before the marriage and some in the course of the marriage. And Ghana hanso no your marital emra bata property distribution e fa say bia wareja ye bi ba estate clear nioma bebre omu chirechire mu wom say ejapade a yaye wo aware ni mu say edu sa wareja ye ba ye che between obano ne bema no.
Correct.
No bi agene die enti maame no issue a de call ne the court ni rule de buy no na o demand for $50 million.
And yes it is
mpacho that
dollars all.
I hope say yes $50 million US dollars originally.
Wow.
Na me sure saying the course of court na kwani abano or revise say na kakra.
Okay.
But ruling ni buy na judge a wotena edwam no Justice Dogu or Mase Yentua Mameno 300,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, sir.
Yes, as compensation. Na and yet sika no yet sika na o demand no de court ne ka se wo mo de bema no aside no papa ne ebehwe ne ma etu omu fee sa ye bibia omu wonkola miensa e wa ware ni mu enti bosome bia no papa ne behwe se obe tia 5,000 Ghana cedis for nkola na didie ni ade.
Enti nanka $50 million na ya limoni nkwa no.
I think yes.
No ya limoni nkwa.
Yes. Enti serious so. Enti issue ne baaye no. E no mo chese 300,000 Ghana cedis no. It's unfair. Enkrofo adwenche no as compared to
investment
in Myanmar, how long omatna warem ni ejuma wo mai because properties ne doso ebi wo danso man ebi wo me ya hudu bebre adan ene saa nyoma no na ejapade na omo che ne ebi wo mu a say bia na ma me ni demand say dan na wo danso man bia yemfa ma no but they did not do it like that. Say ye be a 5 bedroom. Yes, so there are 3 rooms or bani there 2. Enti e kwan a mo be fa so a mo be share ne de enye court na sema. But ya mfa mama me no say ya gye ama no. Aha, enti the course no enna o say enkola miensa 5,000 Ghana cedis every month, enkola 3. According to her, it's very unfair. Enti ye ka say Joanna Kwe ene na lawyer for omoko appeal.
Okay.
Ewo eye ruling na aba no ho. Enti omoko court of appeal na high court no ruling na wode buy na oma hwese wo mbetimi account na wo magye what is due here. But I think that the other issue no so ye say once a court no adanse no wo de ye adwuma. Enti most often no se bibi sa no divorce no wutimi prove e the adanse ba se wo deserve near wo demand na they will give it to you. And here in the case of properties ni bi na Richard Amakwe e kire se ensese oba ne ba ho no wotimi ma evidence e kire se enye the lady has no contribution to the acquisition of sa properties no. And also came to play.
Information I mean me what about sa insense we who share say nanse no Oma revise sa de nanka strictly mo be che no Oma revise no but the entire ema enkrofo so e bashe otemuani ni say he's been very unfair ni say at a point no or the to just say this is to ebe ye nhwesodie bi ebe set example bi say marriage is not an investment say o kwa aware mu a enye say o kohwehwe bibi nti e na wo kwa aware no nti sebe ye nuanom ene e ma na ya ba ye de ye ni so ade ehunu nyina ne ya dwene a ye di ru aware mu say me ko no makopre bibi de aba no ebe ye nhwesodie bi say sa adwen no enya adwen pa enti no omo ntena se masa niema no ensi because this guy he has money a lot enti senka pa se ye hwemu ne ye se omo che dia enyenka maame no so benya ne de na say my kind story me one my kind story be it happened outside. I think it's a footballer be or a sportsman be or something or no ni girl or didn't ho be bata no say na ni motive ni say obeya na du baby na wate ne ho no wachi.
I think I remember that
guy no ni investment or ye no de shani ma di mu enti ebi ni ati o
yeah
okay na sa story na ba meeting
Ghana han with respect to we no a similar ones were happening Ghana ha a blow pa was ye nya penny odatelamte
yes
and so blow pa ma kire say e ma nkrofo bebre enu po de em say sata no mo revise on properties no onu po de edan no more than one and I'm say I think say na this area na obi wa ha am de no ma ka so ba enko fa no so da bi on pen no pe is logo on the animal and I caught yeah unti mama amma we be bria na fe secondly na oka 5,000 cedis from Crown child maintenance normally say court kakra minim no because I've witnessed some of them the court the amount the court will give na so be levy on the man to bring every month is based on the returns and as a sika man unya as income and it will depend on how you are able to convince the court that this amount of money na minya in a month they're not true that no court not strike a percentage
the name of the game is evidence
we don't know the amount of money
okay so what they specified is maintenance
maintenance
sure say bi ankola no fees ne sa ne man de nyini se eka because enka ho aha into obetua ne man school fees ahye ne man pepepe but bosome so a enioma kakra bi di ombedi ne sa ne man ne man ye for ankola me ensa na ye 5,000 no but other responsibilities e fa ne man ho ne ade no I think that at a point the guy was demanding custody of the kids this issue but Justice Kofi Dogu or say aware enye investment enti se wo komu saa na saa de no na hye wutiri mu a me pacho yi to twini because you be disappointed enti eno so ho asem no but ena me ka se enkrofo bebrain so ehye se eno na judge ni no ejina so no de saa ruling ni eba ya when one go na Ghana for so she so you are ruling because o pesa odi obi ye scapegoat Emma will be say next time no then it means you did not use the merits case no na odi ye ruling any ade recently Chief Justice Yera Paul Bafoboni or call vetting that time no mototo na no ko ball atai issue so that time no and from the vetting we heard they say Oma atai sa years of sentence because na osroma nebusia say you're releasing in Temwa he could come for his family so in the first one not just say ruling na ye de mata yi no kra no and yet because say boni na wodi ye ye worth that sentence
that's the
usually I am now on yana or judge no so
exactly ono so ne de ka ho
that's why most of the times I say yenka ho asem yenye ni say because ebi a wo can influence judge or because ono so the sentiment back to play that's why we don't talk about these things because hey one share na you know so I mean for Richard there we can always we can only wish him the best on any woman
on any obano
either way no obia deserve say
obekosa eyinimu
you know akwakoto sa situation where mental health yes I asked
nkorano ne ade
na adwa ka be say oyisu lady na as a scapegoat so sense for be judicial precedence enti we no say ekosi yo Ankosi you it has become a judicial precedence of which
so
whichever case that particular case no will not rest. It will be an example for any lawyer relating to such cases to use.
Inti appeal yes I train so mo ko appeal na de be free ho no abanso na ye hu ha but we wish the both of them well.
Oh yes.
Se obia enso benya na sumdwe at the end of the day it's a journey. Obi na ode ho kobo no e na niema ankoyi. It doesn't mean say bia there's any extra motive bia na bibi could be say genuinely no omo hu ne say aware no sesi ababie dru no emwa ye mie no but so for us omanya tena ne nko ade eye aware ware wo court ne de esese court ne so bem
enti lesson nkora bem no
nkora so abem enti ese ye de tene na ye settle bibia so that's it with Richard ni Amakwe and ex-wife
me try unu say a friend say child maintenance ebi take as low as 500 Ghana cedis 1,000 cedis and I make a pertain on the financial strength
exactly
until we know him say senior man cashman onim say nikru no cashman e hye no ntini
anyway so that's it and mama just one story nyom tuni a wanya ne baby ko ya usapon nyame ya aduma ne family no e de date na wo mbesie no aba until next month May 8 ekosi 10 88th ne ebeyi no na yede na tompem nyame ya aduma Saturday ni ye 9th na wo makokata na chikra Sunday na wo mako Thanksgiving service no enti wo mbeye no ewo esuofua park honom sokoban ampeyo na bibia etumi akonkan enti nyame ya adomo a 8th May 2026 ya usapon next month enti yemfansa akabe bosome ba akopepepe na wo mo kwa kokora ora ya usapon echinti edu honom agana fo nyina se de bia mo yema ne ye fe no na makoje abusua na umetimi akatakata papa no echikra enti
or just nasa
me just no na reserve the account
mama fa
appreciate you be ansana
nti yenye no mama fa abasobodie emra so yenna yenua honorable A plus in fact edino A plus na ka yenum
Kwame Asare Obey
no aka yenum A plus na ka yenum why remarkable things on the constituency you know over the Easter period no
yes.
And obia ka ho asem and Sompa delight e pese e bona baso
okay
yeah be boni pluma hesiens abeka na but really no I think say ocean ne trajectory ocean ne growth from a music person to a politician na consistency be wo the type of music are now all pono na in politics Chese ase ojina ho no afa ba and no dey hwe say munye ni ye munye say then eventually wabem and now wababe you know wababe trese I knew what I was talking about back then I know what it takes to you know friend say govern and I say be a leader of people and yen is so well Sisi nia obi weka nia freaky me. Nia take obi kwa ne Gomwa Central program no over the Easter period no was ne speech be on my and I think in the course of the week I even alluded to it. Or see most sorry I see any natural resources ha. But ye wo pa and natural resources are not all referred to ye common sense. Common sense so there well I can say common
sense no common to common people
but so be so about and obia ye de bi aduane mu eno ne say obe na echa na ye ejuma enti ne say sa common sense ne wo ho there and e mutumi nka say ye ni natural resource baby ye wo yo ye wo bi pa and ye betumi galvanize ama ye de aye ejuma and that's exactly what he's doing no say imrantiwa ne mabawa na e wo krom ha no munye ejuma ne ade ne sa ye common sense ye nyina ye kekabo ma ye betumi de aye ade and ye massive neoma e wo ni krom ho enti no ene Sompa delight yeah, but honorable Bodini Biom Kwame Asare Obey, aka A plus. Yeah, Bonabaso. I mean, yeah, industry person, Nintino. Before then, so etie for say uko Facebook I'll be who say ye ni videos nibi inti Sompa106.5 FM Accra, right?
Yes. Sompa106.5
FM. Na koho ko Facebook na koshe ye ni videos ni bi say when in cha so a ubehu and he stood there and he spoke so much wisdom. Just say oka sebi nyansa sembebre and a shame crying. Ebe mo we hu say nyom to no enye ejumejan bi o.
Yes.
Debbie and again so we are branty and ababa na usi so a se bibi na wafa na wo ya be consistent with it
yeah
nanyini wom focus nanyini wom nti wo nyini wom no obe say other dimensions eba you know me for me ho ponya example I've been singing after corporate work now I'm here and I say my forward integration one day Rebecca who said enti no channels be bring wo be to me afa as a person won limit wo enti no say bibi no wanya na wo so ma mesro you ho na ye ne because ye nua be me wa kire pa say he's capable of you know taking Yenina cry and handling us. I mean,
this is the first social area is the first ever in Central Region.
Yes. So
and even that in the country has any MP been able to organize a program specifically a carnival specifically for his people.
Say, I mean back then I don't know whether he still does it, but Easter aya nanka honorable Brian Champo. No, bibi wo kwewu ho no. And no put exactly. But so to your question, baby outside typical celebratory area and you know na ye de be ma no. So usually ye in time
exactly. So you're trying to say
but on a smaller scale.
Sir, with honorable Brian say he's doing marvelous things so organizing. You see Eastern himself area no is specifically known for that.
Yes.
So who organizes visa there's no ish to it. There's no any uniqueness to it. But a place like this, Central Region,
percentage say who needs ka de be kokwawu and say waka.
So and everybody say you shifted
attention to that place,
to the
that's what he's seeking to do, and it's working.
In the coming future, what is going to happen is that through Easter, nobody may have that interest to travel all along from Central to Eastern. What they will do is that Central, so Central region, people from different places will be coming to.
It's a good initiative.
I think it's good.
It's good. And also saying tourism. In fact, tourism ministry so Sompa mete yera abeku ne voice. And they see this as innovation. Tourism. And not just for Omunkwapo, but for the entire country. Because you tree attention, alcohol attention so or before frost so another town and I say a region. It will help nothing. Tourism my person every time December panel na run into Black Star experience no or ebata and is working into Yabanabaso
region.
And
no.
Yero
you be hosting orara
Sompa like best support too
you invite him to to say Abena Ruthy
gospel so on the secular to be gospel
Oba Christi kan
so
the line up
but it was largely secular. Yes. And one other aspect was up and coming for opportunity and also so boa pa enti yebonabaso pa yebo radem pa so be ma na hoden akoso ama ne nyansa no ode aye adwuma na oye then abuafo because investors are ambana, sponsors are amba. Some of these things it becomes difficult because you see they are crowding from maybe. And you know, as we speak about it, we are urging sponsors, investors to look in that direction and help him. Media, I mean, example now I am as a creative, amazing.
It's nice
because before the parliament in Accra, so Kotna station be no kasania dia to me say papa na dwene mu do bibi hye ho
kasa we vim
on surobia o kan nsem ni nyina and we ne prove say nia na o keka no ni nia o ka and o de osia yo so enti ye bona ba so awie
but do you know what interests me pa is some of the people are free fancy creative that side nearby. Some of them are doing very well. Currently, A+. Now, what do you mean slogan? When you're busy. Yeah. Even before, I think before San Obeko elections,
Okay.
On my free Wi-Fi.
Wow.
And the questions.
But say I said no.
And also it's great. So when you're busy now. And another person do on conversation, but me can say creatives performer like John Dumelo is doing great.
So amazing.
And I think that is an open door for other people in the crowd.
Bra, aden, and then subiem. Hey, time about Misha, ya me can't say Iba Queen, and what you mean saying? Bra, Sanya, time about Misha, Esia Jimmy Nimi fearful, and Yadia Bako, Ebesway. Where dear, what is a offending now? Time about Misha, make us me do one dance ya heaven and a demaqua copy. Ain't it some malaria, where drawn a time about mixture? And yet, and unco, dear, no more to I want to me any dear no. Time about Mr. Drono and a Yamau. Or bar what fell through, dear Wama Quadano for any akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wako hospital anase lab ameye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se upetam heba misha enuro dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na emu
pre 0244 417669
kayo set time no time Herbal
Herbal Mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ.
FDA agi ejodi enkratwe yi atu.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana ha di obi anim sesa ye prostate. Na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a. Na eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anase eye kidney, eye liver problem. Wo fa baby ena adwodwo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a be ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo dem fua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adwodwo. Kidney problem, prostate de. Eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Kuma se ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ewo Kronoma boy here. Ena Accra hanso so de. Wo mo gina mu ankasa. Ewo Spinters baby friend share signboard no. Udru na ubusasa wo pe Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Obi an ebetro. For Endpoint ewo 0244867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo dem fua.
Hedebo how krenia ebo wa hweme wolwi busumi bia na nsu afro na hu nyina awrewre we ka ho a busumi mienu a mepenti me hu nya menye me ho kra biom ebo
kofi pa na se wuntimi mfa pentin kuntia nzio hwe ohaw no ewo dan no mu ankasa o
nti we dia mani den edan no pose me wie o
simple kra Gasem super strong waterproof cement omo cement for fra wa ye no abefo kwan so a ebo edan ho ban free nsuo ho
nsuo ho ban bo eni se we dia repair sen kwan
o davi ominia eno ne ma ne dance no hwe ubetumi dia sowosi ansu anonom no ma wo penti kra na e wawai ano ana ubetumi nsu dia sidan
sa
ubetumi dia foundation block work plastering chese cement ba ko a utumi di sidan na samma banbo mapano no
wow
Gasem super strong waterproof cement ba kwa ye di sidan na sambo ho ban sinu ye preko
Gasem, the nation builder.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st Clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na se 21st Clinic still wo mo ye sciatica
akwada hu da chia na nani age obani etwa nani anani raho
Ghana bismaima no nua ba kusia go aboaje ni o Sompa 106.5Fm Accra ye de dwumadie bia ba ye de beboa yankase abrabo aye fe ne Sompa Rhapsody eboso efi adwada ekosi efiada anopa no mochi kosi anopa no ndu pepepe 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. enti share radio counselors Reverend Professor Joseph Osafwadu ye clinical psychologist na ye theologian awa ben wo abrabo mu nimdie ene akosia go aboaje e wo radio so adwada ekosi efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. na wobenya abrabo mu nyansa ye be mo de wanamo asisiye se bibi mpo ena ekoso wo abrabo mu a wonnim ne esesa wo ya eya tie na ye ntufo e wo Sompa Rhapsody so na wo de wanamo asisiye in a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships and silent struggle. Sompa Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya muanka samudio ye pesa abrabo ne ye mrema ye pesa wodi nimdie ebobra ye pesa esiwie ente shanonso adwoda ekosi efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. anopa bia netie Sompa Rhapsody na wabrabo ebesesa Sompa Rhapsody ye die ni daso abro Sompa Rhapsody wo radio counselors chen so mo bebo
Midimafo pokwase Maira Accra Midimafo pokwase Maira Accra
Midimafo Herbal Clinic aba Accra
ani o wontie passengers egumi kai mu e ho na dodo na ekro
ene
Accra ne bote be demo.
An ye demo ampa. They say there, edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu, about Dr. Edujamfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, ayaresano, I am more.
Oh, Missy Minim wife your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Nin send be 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss me connection na and shed down koye na esakakra. She say what pejum mama hodiam bem. Connection ne would you
what about the crow? Stroke so dear, what fan small. Chessa, I did you woo any dear siano. Yari bia tatia, and Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari bia. Kumasi say,
go opposite government school no.
And then Krahanso, Obepim, or Pokuase, Mayra Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282.
And 0500 727215.
Midimba for Herbal Clinic.
Woodima for Newa.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon reyahon wat yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankupon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Numkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodanina share radins. Na erade beye.
Ya boy! Ya ba Sompa.
Sompa de la, Sompa de la. Anything for more. Oh, Sompa de la, Sompa de la. I just feel more. Oh, Sompa de la, Sompa de la.
Yaba Abeja Foso abo maba Etie for ye mama kwaba in fact Abeja Foso so atena say ntimi mama kwaba Reverend Aisen and Uncle Fred.
Yo, studio high. Yo, man, chilling.
Yo, man. I'm so open so need Gen Z for the community.
You don't mind the move that yeah, woman is no.
And you're not clacking.
I go Fred, you see not here from city on society.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not a channel what genuine sugar and shades no chai.
That's the showbiz, you know.
I don't know me pacho it's the same.
Oh, so they be making yanko to kunya ye hwede nyame be. Odonkwa na ekutai. Ye koda nrano. Enema yedidi ye nyina edu anope na baba ye bibi fufu kra.
Asabo.
That it here. Eritina also kwatru for content and siana kwan.
Sa.
Kwaya asabere ya wo bi.
Empom no ye boko ye deradiase. Reverend Aisen.
Meso no ho ye.
Yeah, there
see na me ko TV station bi am nyom ko wi ye.
Okay.
Masa abaha no.
Was I just say schedule need ye tight. But you both made time to come into the Yedamasi Samaba. And I said munim se nkomo and I'm always excited when I see you two because minim say nim die no mu industry nimu nim die no mu papa and you freely give it out and you know I give it to you. I give because a shout out to you. Muti also shout outs to you. So today we want to talk about a couple of things.
Okay.
But intellectual property rights ebedi muntintima, you know, because conversations we are balancing education no enko ye enti was see a yiri ho abribia e benya opportunity ne say ye discuss bia no yenka na mafo no omu hunu ne wo so omu ye when it comes to omu protect omu intellectual property just say juma omu ayire omu ho aye no and even those omu ye old ne kra no say tetefo no abebre na ebi wo ha na omu fa no satrao na say na me feel say education eba more into nkofo aya alert and you before bi nyuma na wa sorry na or acting ade but first ne dey nka dodo na obehu na o enye hwe ni ade because ya ti bebre anyway into today you be center a discussion on intellectual property rights into your initial comments may started with Reverend Ada Eja.
All right, so etiefo ewiesi yechiamo ye by say eba besom na sometimes na ehia say o say yetumi tin niam bi ase se ne be ya ne ato enkrofo da no ento yen now see ye ka say intellectual property ye ka say obi di nim die ene na adwini mu nyansa etumi di aye bribi na ade no aye ne dia why ade ne pe na nye say abedane intellectual property but there's a framework Ghana ha oba framework bi wo a guide these things no nti as an individual no we say we make sure say bibia wo de wa adwene aye wo de wonyansa aye no we be make sure say wa bo ho ban na oba Ghana ha na ye wo core framework bi a eda ho edema intellectual property enya anyum to ope ni edi kan no eye copyright act eye one of the we are ebo and Crawford Metcham sections are now when a copyright act no 2005 in the copyright act Ghana ha na act 690 act 690 and on the copyright act no and on the tosumi no your patent act no by into effect in 2003 act 657 and your trademark act and year 2004 and no year act 664 and at the fourth one year industrial design act and no see 2003 act 660 and year sansuo protection against unfair competition and no see act in the year 2000 and no year act 589 now these are the 5 pillars year war intellectual property protection.
Ye bedroom suko.
Exactly.
And let me treat nabo. Ye ba bedroom.
Young fan is called copyright law now. And no, utumi hu movies wom. Uhu music, uhu books, uhu sermons. Inti a software kra no mu preaching no kra no. I was saying preaching no mu preaching no mu tumi yeden, o mu tumi bo ho ban. Sometimes utumi hu say a lot of people are playing the sermons here and there. Some of the sermons no betumi monetize no. Enye sika kra efim. And now Osha software development. To say now sometimes it to me softwares near no. You should be able to protect it, and it comes under the Copyright Act. And even photos, who pictures are what Facebook, who pictures are what they are all. You have to protect them.
Step bia obekebia na bibia ba metim bibia because in some ne bebre sisi because photos ho no issues wo ho sermons you can issues wo ho ne ade enti my Uncle Fred initial comments na fe yenwre mu na yen discuss issues no me da sepa na we bie ne mani so ankasa Uncle Fred
you copyright you can say copyright the cry say me say binia di actually me pa mo why ade to say now any kind of free buy according to story we are me kan if my memory serves me it's already been on Belgium
okay
and okoye ade bi e oba so de nyom to buy na ne nyom no a oye no mo asafa nyom ne de ton mo nsa ejiji ska
no onye bi ho
that's right and now me am agitati am say copyright law no buy na jurisdiction bia na asem potem bia na se kro bia so you the common law no ho
that's right
but e bia so operate according to say there na you ho no buy higher e ha no ene me bibiri happen and ya tunye man bibiri so egu a ya ni ho dwuma to buy a copyright system no ne bibiri enye yi oba abena we dey say most musicians e o man mu ha payinfo no dodo no a enwuma o mabo a e wa bontenye o mo dia
na making.
So no
yeah.
But don't know law no. The aba cry etwe ho ayi. I we be come was be specifics and be specifics no. Me who said ba kro no the author. Your author no. On actual man. Ebi obi e okoton kra de ma producer bi. A oni mi write. Don't talk about producer anya odi abiem. Wo de no ba bi betuma claim credit say lyrics now trend e wo dia. But e ba sika chem ni adade a dodo na be ko producer no. Eti abaye issues bi a e wo man mu ha. Na say ni kono aye den. E wo system ha che system no. Enema bi wo ha to yie kakra. Ye no kra kamu ni enema bebre. 77 free period and because boni ayade akọ tumi kọ ewiem kọ soro ina akotwa mu ho esa ba sase so enti ukọ other countries no ASCAP no money already South African Collection Society no money other copyright organization no ukọ America obi e friend Elvis Presley
okay
1977 25th August 1977 eno wuye okay wuye next year 50 years wuye ni mum sika wanya kra no Ebro said not tears as so. The same thing applies to Michael Jackson. Almost
Jackson. I was going to say Michael Jackson.
Over about could be an amini more how Yakupon for the crazy 2010. We on the 2nd of October, Dana Nigeria for a or more independence or so.
Okay.
A over referendum Mark Tonto.
Yeah.
No both Sisa. Amen.
Yes.
Then a Ghana Music Awards board that set up a MTN.
Okay.
And a sponsor. Now, many of one from one collection society. Sika. A couple bought trumpet in the amount for issue. Aba £2,500 for only one.
Only one.
Only one.
I see.
I joined so many collection societies. It's in the Ghana. I say. In maybe this year, me for Charles Amwano. Oh my Jaya had the anko.
Yeah.
I don't want didn't or Germany. Because South African people say if you have a chance to go. Unze bia ne wa yenwum bia ne so the collection no a eba ba my hu ha sanity dabi say na me kan adwuma ma ye for 41 years en kiripa ma produce wo kotamaleni ayi nko a ni kokoma area ho a ka be compromise ke nye easy
yeah
and here's the case ya scanning ban e be cha and I say you gamu you be cha me me fa car beto petrol free pokwase e dia call 200 because na yema me 150 ijemi nko je kra
Mercy.
Wa boka kra ya ka ho. Iti yesu 7 there. I just said that king don't come oh God.
Oh my God.
Azade bia.
Be koswaka.
Ebeti be. Iti copyright. Iti be entiase iti yasa ekom no discussion no in fact current wiki ebi aro udi tuja adom kiki ni sema aba no. And we find it's a case study.
Any case study I ever use.
Ne dia hwe. E kwan a e ma asade ne ba ya nyina. It's copyright issues ni e se bebre ayi timi nka enwenwio. There's a need to be for pen drive. No gina. Ka pa. Isi no.
Ye ho mo bebre. O
ko chi no.
O ka beka show say or download it and yet into no no so you know so I mean there's a lot to talk about in this
that's right.
But ye be bobo so na ye boy radin pa say yasem no e beto asum na amanfo de aye adwuma no yetumi enya the right thing being done. So as offer wasem no, this was coming to mind. Overarching a intellectual property, copyright aspect, because there were different Reverend Air can into the Soniama and also at all. Copyright, as I know, automatic. But by said a assembly bar, what then who said a assembly bar obey to me a ginaso. Into no so we need to let that be known because say me them. Na me ye na me nkoa na ma ye saade no na me feel say obien to me replicate saade na ye media but sene be ya ochine bi obi ye wa bonten me meka say me na me ye wo dem na wote na wo ye ni nti no ene ye bo ho ban no but really copyright automatic. Once we yet to Honunqua, a year would dear, ye would dear, and so a hunya, so be register. Nintin I did lost it by saying that Uncle Fred Walker say, Papa no, baby originated from no. Omudinum ye nintino a mass our copyright issues by Bibisa netie, and why a bibi na say a wood dear. and fun to her because adwene no eni nipa ba akutimo.
Exactly.
And that's how I see it. Sometimes obe to me adwene bibi by the time say e wo ho na wonya obe realize ya no obi so aye wo baby. Unkomo baby na nipa na yo, but you know I mean yeah Christopher internal me I believe it's the same God. On my wisdom internal is one for the engagement obi di need the that is why you need to protect your intellectual property.
Make I emrebi time asanyum we by bobole bobo.
Aha.
A lot of contention by ways on no yeah ways after then after na public nation say one and the bar out first. And it became a problem. And until that there's a need say we are making sure say we in terms of registering whatever why no
at the right quarters.
It is you should know say with copyright for life plus 70 years.
Yes.
For life plus 70 years. Other aspects, and when we come to the other aspects, and no time is different.
Yeah. All right, Auntie, let's delve into the story. Your friend is saying developing story about with Adum Kiki, you know. Now may catch up and say, oh yeah, China was so young man now, why share system ni my ye Juma na Fena Kania Tone so all back out when your nomination as new artist of the year. And anyway, Mami Fawe soon new artist of the year category TGM no. We should all know say it means new artist our basking neso. But not necessarily obi afe no oye nyom no. Enti no so understanding there was here to ho. Enti what do we say about this story? Tanya Bruno, you know, because family no atro say. Enti let me hear your thoughts on this story.
Okay, so na wo hwe obroni ayawaye mu aye computer di adwuma yi. So ye pe na we create file e dey am obi a e ma date time seconds out there. Store the go. So if your system is properly calibrated there, metadata. I all high or it is a young crowd by a bit who will be our year, no. If you bet who quantize the crowd boy and cry and scoring, then they come by and say, and then I got hapa. It will be how may you ma just what brave will be to say Kofi Johnson. The Jimmy Kirani na be me
yeah.
Amen.
Yeah.
Oh, said I know young papa no.
Yeah.
I managed him in 1993.
Okay.
Me you be a national theater me. I'm a dear or no. Ufurian Ponsa, Selena Olin Lindsay, Kwame Sifakai. Kwame Eboa, Ras Apia Levi, General Marcus. They don't call national theater because you defend show time in Saturday.
I see.
Tell managing Kofi and Johnson.
Okay.
I can't say ordinary mammy, but at that time, Collins. But at that time, no, say you know about power, no, then you see no the
okay.
So let us see the idea. That is the danger point. Aqua baby. You ever bet to Adum Kiki day?
That's right.
Adum Kiki, artist, we are on CCCC. Calvary Charismatic Church, I work once. So for once for
yeah.
And the edge, my book keyboards.
Yeah.
Okay. And I said what thing a Jaquiamwa. Or some American or SD near America.
Okay.
Now, me can't say we in Sakabium. Abena say Obagana, and I say we are suffering namus titu. There can compositions in terms of choral. See the channel, the tour, and you try.
He's one of them.
Any or your best now maybe besides selling to SD for.
Oh, yes.
That's
very true.
The Ukrainian, you know, choral music in there, almost song arrangement, jump parts in the
yeah.
Okay. So Adum Kiki, I had the concert last year on the 16th of November 2024, last 2 years. Nana Mama Brown crying headline a year Kobe.
Okay.
Till hold on the Jometonum, a record of saying way, plus other ones.
Okay.
Alas the way. And I said, okay, TJ before I nominated as new artist of the year. As new artist of the year, no. Every artist be oh my episode on your clout.
Yeah.
On your into our radio interviews.
That's right.
No, I couldn't idea. So I'm another summer. The family new artist of the year or TJ Miss.
Monto Mami.
Nemo mo kwa. I jump out the coil no. Nemo e bi bitwe busa afa wo ho ensem.
Yeah.
And I some way could pay Peace FM.
Yeah.
And I make it darling. Ti asem di yo. I was Abena Ruthy so hwe social media ya akwadwo ne dementi no. Amanfo kasa mo ho a. Omotwa ho ba bi ehia no nko a. Ti na ho nko a na e kan ti on hwe a. Ubi ko te bebe oh. Na se cry you cry say na omini Mickey darling or a diva bonum or radio super it was Kiki Aduki said one our boss say particular and boy one our boy I don't say I'm a boy no and yaman I'm a tron yet
sir
that version of Mickey so but also our boss service but don't for cry oh yes that very version now Kiki is on a board on a boss service
that's right
now why you know I lines is a cry and that's where the problem comes
okay
let her buy you know you can we try letter so who there be a bit no address or me who address room telephone overhead letterhead so in your the science no answer management of or say what minimum or say what is the bushia say be an my do say but the fan say ni na e kama it adum kiki aso ko kan ni and if I do about social media ya no bia na campaign ma adum tickets to win that you know only any easy for ni bi Pojo Brian no me Crawford bianso Crawford bi over say no me o hina dunti no o nya amafo bi keka o ma but we say emotions arising wom
yeah
so kwa the same song me nya be friend Adwoama or UK why the same song no cover version or okay and no buy yan kan one sem o kira akwa say
hit this
and kira akwa say edom ani sa de so takache na ni ana
yeah sa pepe
adom kiki it Abdul Kiki, you went further to explain certain things. And I mean, if you say, yeah, there's a cocoa. I feel because I only 3-4 quantities need 2-4 or Freddy say time signature. There be I don't know 3-4.
Yeah,
it is all because of the 3-4. Like I say, as I also say, hold on, say conversation, I mean, Uncle Ye or Amami. You should have gone trace. Oh, and you know, Papa, no, you may any day. And I'm a fire that you're fat. You never be Sikema human
exactly.
Busy me who be man yamini Sompa.
Yeah.
Edi otu we di papa ayo ye pokwa bodam kodwontwi ebe fa no ko papa do na otiase.
Oba ni fi.
E na papa ndi blessing.
Ponkwa bodam.
You are see. Station master.
Enti uji ho royalty tala.
Enu na wo so ubisa say.
Etika baby a
say kasa.
Papa no nyuma obo nyina o nyina nka di ho anka we na eji.
Yeah.
Kwadwo ekoho. And according to Kiki no say because of the digital space, you know, your friend be a digital license.
That's right.
So, what the new be called? What we catch us anyway, and you media.
Yes.
But all the anyway, to be a best section, and you know who say, if you say what the new more original no air, no, and the hot dear, but if you in any deal, it's your map to publish it, and you know, but my license say, all my license say a future, no, says Kaba one, and you won't want to be if you call, you know, since that was the license that Kiki was talking about. Yes, if you come say okoje license of papa no.
Oh, Debbie.
It was a commodity no. Emotions bam. It is maybe brave anya you but.
Omunti ase ye no mo kan.
It we no akotwe ebi aba. Na man for blame say na ma for ma mo mpanyum twron. Na de na kokofa kofo mpanyum fo nwum no.
Oh.
Sada ebi mo kan. But enyum bi wo ha say ba. Wo so to nwum Yesu kan ho odi with a very nice song. Say papa no na twron. I can't remember time Vibe FM by around 1996. Robi FM Joe anim. Oni KSM. Efa say enwon no. E de ye. Say title track na no de bo yi nyina. It copyright infringement in there. Akoso bebre. Akoso bebre. Eti no e ade a so to na akwa cover versions bi, akwa concert bi a. Ti na no kra me article twa me de shara ye say. So wa akwa so bia wato da na se. E de age collection bi ade agugbo to me. Ne so copyright infringement in bia.
Obi na idea.
Eno
na ye do.
Na say
no. Yes bia na be
public domain.
So papa ye nyuma me Kofi Eddie Johnson me nyuma me kan. Ami me dey me kra mu kwa so mo emfanye collection bia. Be pato mo check collection no. Do do say that be man. What we say obi ho kra no obeba collection no bia ko the 1 cedi never because enyum ne kan no we 10 cedis. E da ba betum. Say no nyae.
So mami ko interesting aspect. Amen. Scripture. Kofi, what's the name
Annie
again?
Johnson.
No. Papa ya kana say.
I know scripture. Some 34.
Even the asasieni dani butu so scripture. Enti no, I mean usha ni nyina enti me fa say tree Bible a eno anu afa enti ono no tune na wa ma no. Enti lyrics no, why dia?
One will say you can't lyrics ubetumi ahihye lyrics in any form. But you see say wo ye enyum bia in terms of air cover even the cover no it should be similar to the previous one awuti no nti yemfa ne say jata brewer it should be exactly the asane oyeye no so what's the sunny bebre no cry no enye correct mpacho what in America what's the sunny bebre enye correct nti nia wo hia ne say wo betumi ama enyom no adanso a obi a ato a obi hu say sa anyum we efri sa nipa ko yi ho. Okay, that is how it should be like. But the whole thing they say most of the times say omo ye covers ni ade na one omo bisa permission. Yeah. And two sometimes na ya na we property rights like Gamru any ade no nkrofo no nko ho because say okọ they have a way ombetimi aye normal structure the thing in such a way say enyom no beko the owner ho. And even when you can monetize song you be there say you be there na so they two online definitely the search engine no best search the owner especially say ni pakono aye wader. Let me give you a perfect example. Me nyumbi ena Celestine they told on the page so and I also uploaded the same song now afraid of me creative page be and I made it too so what happened and me I am and you share me copyright because and yamen am register in the same way I can see say a lot of people are having this error opinion me who recently na me Reverend Yosen and it Tego sisters for din komo and I may catch them said that embrace say we say omo nyom wan crofo dia to omo channels na omo di unsike nyina no omo betimi agigi ni nyina back because at the end of the day it is their property intellectual property and so crofo di unsika from way because omo YouTube nim ni pakon ni odebe ko first no and recognize no as we and they are able to monetize them but these days nimdie like here church we believe say nimdie ne beba e man krofo atiase yeah
me sent me question nimbiom so me say
lyrics no
okay
so you're talking about lyrics in your free Bible room you know me say so what classroom let teacher catch someone from myself they say myself my name is Abena Ruthy. I am 19 years old. I went to a Chimotel school. I come from say Miss Macas friend name is French Mensa. Then instead of somebody I'm 19 years old. I come from Augustine church. It's but your basic a year marking scheme. Okay. At the home I have salient points here. Except by essay till before from reading from the top you say down crown and Bible sha. You want to say any man a bomb near marking scheme. So the Bible is there. So in the writers knowledge you know of I know if verse 1 or botra baby and to unfat nina or from the 1 2 3 4 no ba jatabru one because all tron you know or nyansapon set before no all we but all here e be do be botra verse ni bi na kwa so Bible na ba universal language obi atimi call name lyrics. Okay. Any melody lines there, it takes greatness. Yeah. And some will be a do re mi fa so ne ho and one ho. But we have obodo ma. Obe call do no akola kra nsa no abami akwa. The same song no better police near me bre. What I say, it no no there. Adwuma ni bo ha, say me ka no. Where's no he took it down from the Bible. Yeah. But Bible no kra no komu a. You were clapping Bible me boy. Yeah. Your new King James version that this go west. Why no?
King James version.
It will be called RSV. We write standard version. It ain't one for free. It's a whole complicated issues. So but yeah, sure. Or say what yeah, if you say lyrics not trying no. On the trance, melodic lines. A score at the end and then will be a bear fulcrum. The pivotal and answer foundation. Yeah. Will be our building piano. It will be club building. I do my man it be tan but I don't original Quran net say any man anyhow. Those
intellectual property.
That's right. It will calculate I won't. It would do say in our fire. They can offer West Lina, offer melodic lines in which the foundation is giant. The say keyboard is able to be saxophone is able to be added a year come I know about a different shit Udian can free the original one or which I say it's in the Tronid yet. You will have a Trondian free you want baby. I know but Babu look of or the I know some law how maybe I haven't studied that much, but
with the Bible aspect, you know, it did some number of years until it becomes a public domain.
To be able to make use. That's why the Lord must my shepherd.
We use it every time.
Different ways.
Okay, good. Oh, different.
Yeah.
Oh, come a year better this man. The Lord my shepherd, I've got. The Lord my shepherd, I've got. He made me down.
Because the Lord is my shepherd.
What say Uncle Freddie Kabibi?
Yeah.
Young fat Rexuma. Ninyumbia oye.
Yeah.
Na that be another company.
Yeah.
Echo fast sound lyrics. But at the end of the day, like my brother Penny Ekano, there were some aspect of the composition which was very vivid. Which means a way there a had no free in terms of the chords and everything. Yeah. And what's the sound no cry? What's the sound words in the cry now? The similarity makes it illegal.
Okay. And once I similar net say only nipa there no
anything I resume we need that case no.
Okay, so DJ Bitwise were 2 songs be.
Okay.
Mama yenti na yen charge.
Very interesting.
Me also have enjoying me because no book and away 4 not 3
so where would the court comes in each in a fat 3-4.
Okay.
A 6-8. Let's have 4 times so.
Okay.
4 times no court BPM around 60-65. I'll be the same as a
Okay. So this one no still in your original no.
Original anyway.
Oh, original.
We na papa na kasa boy no.
But anya papa no na air tweet.
Where your papa that tweet?
No, not tweet. Just not trying to watch on Uncle for.
It will be another version, no?
Exactly.
Just another version.
Okay. Yeah. If papa na the ankasa boy no.
It is ye fa ni po say we senior oto ni na we mu kwa na to ne saa. E je say kwa no so ato. E bia no mu so ma publish you. Enti no onya so mfaso ana e wo say ye hu eno so because ebusuafo no or the saying Adum Kiki. And I need the one about Sam, but when the yentation, internet, Chesabia, Papa no near or ye near no the mark.
So what much YouTube is here, Uncle Adwa Abba. About the same thing. For the topic where Yapa, very important. And no quite expressing the whole day.
I was say original composers, no. Omutuminya omu composition hu mfaso sana AC pa onim say some time ago asembisi ye sing about akubi emi say yes ogina stage or tonwoma e na oni na auto nyom no by the time obepo no so obi na man nipa information say papa yi ye wonyom wo ha say no aba ho internet show into your point no catch say massa ade a wenya bia na mambi I mean it shouldn't happen like that. Say your structures ne ye juma wonim say once nipa na perform and all ye in there was say wonya so mfa so
in fact any say they be ready for
live band
for be
even a sorry ye before
Enuntina was a gamro, juma ye, no mutumi,
one says, see, I know gamro and casano. It is not working because of license now.
Issue,
But we are praying, said things should go well.
Anyway, let's listen to the other version and then we will continue. Oh yes.
If you are bad, don't kick it so.
Let's get the Adum Kiki one. Okay, yati. I don't kick it yet. So, then I'm working for.
We can't let the back of a drama. And also, the baby versus. Now, I'm saying the game, the hunter who had a game on one and you walk the grill also.
Yeah.
And now you walk.
Exactly.
So, no kick the end now, bad but the other people are. The same, they didn't make any noise. So why then now? So why then now? No, be brave. Kick you interview, no, It won't send your kind and yet. Many are no SD for me there. So what I feel I'm going to say, hi, 3-4. And I won't say what I say. And you know, and you need your base upon me, Mickey darling.
Interview.
That particular boy, no, because I know on the boss, and you, but I can say you want to try it. So you see. But Molly can say, if you listen carefully, you what? You will hear.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we listen more than hearing.
Yeah.
We listen, but we don't hear. But we
say pempi ni pentame buata
and yet a classical case, I think
very interesting. I was so be a and
as Susie the man for support. Because I feel I'm got to be a compare baby, I could fear any Johnson. I didn't know that. No, so for you, I'm going to for collection. If I told.
And your friend is saying, what do you shedding not to me?
16 ranges where that
you know, I mean, this is where if the structures are working well. Until baby, ne sonny go so ne so go no
because you know if you are say for NC and about
exactly.
Yeah, so they hold on which one set you
know
yes we so have
say come
volume any buy me audio buy to read so we audio na call teacher mo bia
sa anyway omo go so nti yen hwe say there's an aspect of this I don't kick you one me interesting or feature Jometo. Now you know say for some reason no Jometo ba wonyom so usually I know ye bigger enti no obi kwa betumi aka say oh Jometo nyom enti nye say we ba out here anka go football bedwin say Jometo nyom
maybe feel say nka omutu ni na akra na nke wo so mu asem mu enye adum kikipe because Jometal also featured no but Jometal onunsu nim say eyubijum is that not it
okay
Jometal nim say eyubijum nti say yam fan say young guy and a onimpa in can say Joe Metal to me anyway because Joe Metal has done a lot of songs which are not his, but yet onimpa of us because one say with licensing no. What you do is say also who say either say a owner no and I say a publisher. So we dealing with the publisher now, you are still dealing with the owner. And if you are dealing with the owner, you are dealing with the owner of the song.
But in this case, I don't kick your license or send a distributor ne hono and on what's our license. It's no cleared
only problem. Because
say cleared on that score. Then that would mean say Joe so cleared on that score because as far as he's aware, why such checks.
And on America say Joe can he would do the right thing.
Okay.
They would have done the right thing. Because free. Exactly. Joe has done a lot of songs that
a lot of them.
Yeah.
They are not so many. I didn't say emu. It has to go down with you. If you control our friend, any spurious comment.
Exactly.
But when they first come in,
me who post be a culture say esa na mo say ni pane brand mo nim information na wo mpenta mo
can say the truth ne say obi anim say nyom no nya dom kiki
exactly
and on one so aka
until
he's not taking ownership and from the start na e kan no you say nimpa ko na bonyom no already na he's protected
exactly.
One baby assembly free. One bonyum na already he's protected and son of Bekwakoye a home krata any ade. But I want to believe said that song is already online.
So you know studio now so you know what now we have to look out for timing of publishing no enti time na dwade to out time being na kwane so de to out
good
honey ebe hu say dinti na abusua na nsori an attack we mu de aba we so
the reason inti aba na sa na say we na aba public domain na obi ate mpacho what ma say
interview
why interview so aka ho asem
ye be fa ne sa eni ko mu achi answer
na ko hwe say wonyom no hu bi wo bi channel zo a
bi wo ho na answer na ombe crucify no I think say was say ko mu yo mu research kakra inti na Uncle Fred referred to omu letterhead ni ade ni nyina was see ehwem because won't na ho na obi building a brand na overnight won bam be crashing with bibia wo dwene na wo kan no inti no we need to also put this out there say family no I was like, more research and so no more be attack gentleman because or no we indicate ne distribution level no our license no nti why and on can say ne dia on kai me man ti wo baby and me hu an say ye ka ho asem say and no let's protect our own let's protect our own. It's been an insightful discussion today anyway, so let me take your advice, your pieces of advice for love to do covers and then even our up and coming, you know. Share more advice I bet to me. I be
covers in no but you want some bar. Oh, not we crowd can talk about we be an time or Hakim Paluta Reka say it's a boom play.
Oh, may say and also intellectual property
you say no to focus despite you know to focus big ben no how Mickey a chum
sir
out US is here at to follow away so and
online no
we no achiche mframa no ton different airtime no we say technology no achiche ton o say na wonwo no ansa na obetumi amobi ato na so de be fa me TikTok and then may you ansa obi ato or also what percentage actually say and some members I say never bet 1,000 you tell me na say
it we
are the best
so
and then people do songs and put them out there say be ya obi be hu
sir inti ono obi wo kwa onwene returns no
hello tell me line no say unya numbers no a obi betuma for gig money area so that what they are joking now and the live performance for live performance and you see physical cash omo mu di bibi on the streaming no omo start ache because streaming no betuma kwa be 1 million grade e ma be it's a problem
it is
but I don't know omo nya yi say o tell me say o numbers do so your product way I want you to use it to pass through your product if you answer hot wave Shatawala, because of the numbers. Yes. What I say, you know, next week is Jampa Bar.
So you better this particular issue because you here streaming. No, I was here. Say company be eba app. Almost the streaming line be by you. Almost the buy, but the enchantante GMX, I think. And we need to look into that. Ni share how I be benefiting for no. I assembly then on that time. You see, I gross or not ideas are going to for. And me producer the mama saw say what thing need there no. Almost uploading 12 years ago.
Okay.
12 years ago. 12 years ago. And of course, that's so on the domain.
Make original cause you see, you know. Who produce it?
Exactly. Okay.
When did you see Kashimo? Omo our hand.
So that
even the publisher.
Yeah, also Sompa so open
na Papa not Ghana. You know US also.
12 years ago, not just a metadata no. E woni din.
Okay.
Nti no say Kiki Bobia.
It was a back up on fact
the ownership rights.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Until I say when there was a bush for
yeah.
Say if the songs are on YouTube, not say Kiki Sudiano Kokwa. No matter what, ownership we no ever we ho.
Or say anyway, your final words for today.
Intellectual. Final words is still no Sompa delight no I'm part. Any delight now. I should find delight the light and then so then the advertise on page and I start it, you know. I don't from 1 o'clock to 3 every day we are from Monday to in the program, but they may be so Mondays and Thursdays. So you get the lock up here and I have information, you know. So that you know, can you management as
yes, that's if Reverend you say.
Me so make catch it for say mon koswana muntie Sompa delight.
Sompa delight.
Near was say masote no. Mo beti. And to the musicians no so me pese mo tie ase say you will be a friend no mechanical license.
Okay.
I was so muhuni ye.
Oh, and then I can say komu ye nti wo. E be say topic no. Ye be nyame adoma Monday. You better go through points now, kind of, you know, into details. Now, actually, I say I nyom na near 7 epic additional, but of course, minim say in question where who say enya dia branch and where we bibia intino. You better ask nyame adoma Monday na ya church tie for you know what they need to know. Me that for you na say yes, I grow so not yes, I'm going to for and Sompa delight ha and I this year made that me team nina say producer papa Jeremiah made that say red pits mice chinchim video no of course share that are different versions in our no I made that say and I St. Augustine or no dear to abeful in 10 times and so me try me dana say I not mean that ya mame akosia ago abuaje communication ye nana sepa na me se ochina hey ochina Friday enye easy o ochina ye freestyle na nyoma bebre ebe kukom se wo kai wo jama songs bia na wo to ss ne ade Fabibra na chese shushe bra because ochina na be phone lines na to na I have a butu you we can buburu ja. All right, and see me producer person we say Mama Sewa Sister Rose or Kumase or say warmest wishes to you. Okay, NTF systematic press. Hey, systematic press also a bit here. I also bet you some party lights. And systematic press say happy birthday press. It was Sompa TV, Sompa FM.